Good afternoon. It's a great pleasure to welcome Professor Jenna Ioli, full professor of finance at Bocconi University. Thank you, Nicola, for participating in the 44th edition of the Barcelona School of Economics lecture series.
His research focuses on psychology and economics and consists both in developing psychologically founded models of behavior, in testing these models and applying to various domains. Today his talk is about beliefs in economics, which I guess is a subset of psychological issues, evidence and some theory.
In the last decade or so, there has been this growing effort of actually go out in the world and measure beliefs, okay? And see what they look like and see whether they can help explain decisions. And the set of findings of this work is that first, belief exhibit some systematic error, and second, these errors help explain market phenomena and economic behavior. And I want to emphasize two aspects. The beliefs that we see in the data exhibit what I call instability. Instability means that they tend to depend on features that are not necessarily so relevant, or they exaggerate the importance of these features. And the second aspect that's important of the measured beliefs is the vast heterogeneity. If you go out, measure beliefs, and relate them to action, you see that what emerges is that people tend to display this instability. Sometimes the features are a bit informative. Sometimes the features are utterly uninformative. When people make decisions, they bring to mind only the relevant stuff, or they focus only on the most relevant experience they have. There is no kind of uncertainty or friction or problem in what people are thinking about, in the information they sample from their memory. To conclude, growing data urges us to rethink about foundations. Beliefs are central and their instability is central. Instability does not mean Pandora's box, opening it. Heterogeneity doesn't mean that. There's a lot of structure out there. Can be discovered with new theory and systematic measurement that is now available. And this, I argue, it's highly relevant for understanding important problems in the economy, the behavior of people and markets.